Hey folks, just some common mistakes, some do's and don'ts when it comes to installing your fine hardwood moldings from Baird Brothers. Pneumatic nail guns, fantastic, right? Really makes our lives easier installing trim. Don't over nail. You don't want that beautiful piece of molding to look like somebody shot it with a shotgun with all the holes in it, right? So don't do that. Use them as we need them to function, to hold that molding securely in place and move on to the next one. We love Franklin Tight Bond here at Baird Brothers. Do glue your joints. Gluing your joints is good, and if you have a little 18 gauge or a pin gun to interlock that joint, if you have a 45 casing and you're coming in from the top and from the side, lock that joint up, leave the glue dry. It helps that joint stay nice and pristine for the life of the home, right? If you don't have one of these little guys, get one, right? Little tri-square. And you can use that to establish reveal lines on your interior doors and the jambs, or whether it's putting that window case in around those new windows, okay? Establish that 3/16 quarter of an inch reveal. It adds another architectural element to the whole project. Don't run out of material on the job site. Order yourself a couple extra sticks. You can always take it back, or it's Sunday afternoon, you're trying to finish your project, you fall one stick short and the lumberyard's closed. So do yourself that favor and order enough material. And with that said, use your material to the utmost. You want 6/8" pieces of drops or scraps on the job site. You don't want to see 30" pieces. Okay, so think ahead a little bit, make a cut list in your mind, and then take it from your mind to your miter saw.